well-known company, COOM. Yes, y'all, it's time to get motivated, get it on. Let's get it popping. Let's get these jobs rolling for you guys. Because to get some of these people out here employed, get everyone working. That's my objective, is to get everyone working on my channel. Or with a second job or a third job. Now, with Zoom, they have this position open with this job role as a DevOps engineer, XMPP remote. And then it's an engineering position, and they're remote in Arizona, the Bay Area in California, United States, Southern California, United States, Denver, Colorado, United States, Chicago, Illinois, United States. This is a full-time position. The work styles at Zoom. In most cases, you will have the opportunity to choose your preferred working location from the following options when you join Zoom: in person, hybrid, or remote. Visit this page for more information about Zoom styles. So you click on that blue link and it will tell you about the different types of ways that you can work from home, hybrid, or in person with Zoom. About us, the Zoomies help people stay connected so that they can get more done together. We set out to build the best video product for the enterprise, and today help people connect and communicate better with products like Zoom contact centers, Zoom phone, Zoom events, Zoom apps, Zoom rooms, and Zoom webinars. We're problem solvers working at a fast pace to design solutions with our customers and users in mind. Here, you'll work across teams to deliver impactful projects that are changing the way people communicate and enjoy opportunities to advance your career in a diverse, inclusive environment. Responsibilities: you have 5 years experience in a DevOps site reliability engineering role. You have in-depth knowledge of Linux, Red Hat, CentOS, Debian, etc. You have troubleshooting experience. You have working knowledge of Ansible and Jenkins. You have experience with Jinx, etcd, in production, deployment, and troubleshooting. You are familiar with AWS technology, including Elasticsearch, Elastic um, Dynamo, DB, SQS, and S3. You have an outstanding of GitOps and are familiar with GitHub and or GitLab. You have solid base or Python scripting experience. You have experience with system monitoring tools. You have a bachelor's degree in a related field. You have prod on-call support. Requirements for this job position: you have to have 5 years of everything that I just said. They just put a repeat of it. But this is the bonus points for this job. You have experience with Elk. You have experience with Kubernetes. You have experience with chat or instant messaging, XMPP. You have a master's degree and in a related field pertaining to engineering. Now they talk about what their objectives are with hiring people. They don't discriminate against religion, race, national origin, gender identity or expression, sexual orientation, age or marital statuses, veteran or disability statuses. Zoom is proud to be an equal opportunity workplace and is an affirmative action employer. All your information will be confidential according to EEO guidelines. They also help people with assistance with accommodations, anyone who has disabilities. Now, the minimum salary for per year will be $97,920. The max will be $181,000 to $170,000 per year. $181,170 per year. In addition to the base salary and or OTE listed, Zoom has a total direct compensation philosophy that takes into consideration base salary, bonus, and equity value information about Zoom's benefits is right here on this blue link. Now note, starting pay will be based on a number of factors and commensurate with qualifications and experience. We also have a location-based compensation structure that may be a different range for candidates in other locations. Now they have different links that you can go ahead and you know get into and learn about Zoom workspace opportunities. They even have a refer a friend here and all the good stuff. So that'll be off this video, and the job will be for this company with Zoom, a well-known company, is a job role being a DevOps engineer. XMPP is a remote position for these states within the US. It's a full-time position. So you guys go ahead, and you jewels keep on sparkling, you diamonds keep on getting at it, and my diamond squad, go ahead and apply to these jobs because they are here for you, they're accessible to you. And keep the faith and keep going. Subscribe, like, and comment down below if you're new here, and smash that like button and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next one.